CNMZTIND introducing the truck HD1080p vehicle infrared night vision camera. Your fleet's new best friend for 24/7 safety and security. 2 million CMOS chips, aluminum alloy metal body, 12 infrared light, medium level 6 layer glass lens, IP6 integration, HD1080p, built tough and designed to withstand the elements. This high-definition camera delivers crystal clear imaging day or night. Awarded CEFCC IP69K Rose certification with a 2 million HD CMOS sensor and infrared night vision that reaches up to 15 meters. You'll never miss a detail, even in the darkest conditions. Enjoy full HD 1080p resolution with a 180 wide viewing angle, giving you a complete view of your surroundings, reducing blind spots, and enhancing driver safety. Designed to withstand the toughest environments, it boasts an IP69K waterproof rating, making it perfect for all weather conditions from heavy rain to snow. Whether you're managing a fleet of long-haul trucks, delivery vehicles, or service vans, the HD1080p vehicle infrared camera ensures your vehicle stays safe, secure, and visible any time of day. Simple to install and easy to integrate, this camera provides coaxial HD output and is compatible with most fleet monitoring systems. Protect your fleet with the truck HD1080p vehicle infrared night vision camera. Ready for the road, ready for any challenge. Contact us today to learn more and take the first step in upgrading your fleet safety.